Are you a divorced parent, or maybe you're going through a divorce and you're thinking about moving out of state? Wait, because before you do, there are many important factors that you need to put into place to make this transition smooth and legal. Larry Hirsch, he is a family law attorney and partner with Jaburg Wilk, and he is here to make sure any relocations are done properly. And it's important that people understand what that means. When you say relocation, what do you mean?
Well, relocation is simply wanting to take your children out of the state of Arizona. So if you are currently going through a divorce, or if you are already divorced and there's a parenting plan in place, but you want to move your minor children to another state, that conceptually is relocation.
Yeah, and a lot of parents, maybe they get fed up and they said, I'm just taking the kids, I'm packing up and I'm going, getting out of Dodge. Is that legal?
It is not. There are statutes in place which suggest, well, they don't make a suggestion. You have to give 30 days notice, and then the other parent has an opportunity to object to the move. But if you just pick up and you take your children and you go to North Dakota out of Arizona, it is a legitimate problem.
Okay.
And if the other spouse goes, or the other parent goes back to the court, then the children will likely be returned to Arizona.
And that's not going to be pretty. I mean, so just tap the brakes, take a breath, let the emotions subside a bit. And I know there are a lot of factors that the court will examine when you're thinking about moving minor children out of Arizona. Let's talk about the top three.
Sure.
Number one, starting with motive.
Well, one of the things that the court or the judge is going to want to know is, why are you relocating? Why do you want to relocate? Is it simply because you want to spite the other parent? Is it because you want to take the children away from the other parent? And judges are pretty good at figuring that out. So they really want to know what the motive is for your proposed move.
All right, and you were saying that if you do it without talking to a judge, you need how many days? 30 days?
Yes, you need to give 30 days notice.
If you don't do that, you're already behind the 8 ball, right?
If you do not give proper notice under the statute, it is a legitimate problem. And if you then want to seek relocation after the kids are returned, you certainly are going to start off on a negative footing with the judge and the court.
All right, so the number two big factor is situation. What do you mean by that?
Sure. Well, where are the kids? Where is the proposed move to? Okay, that's number one. What's the geographic location? Is it going to be easy to get back and forth? Does it require plane travel? Does it require a long drive? How many hours are the kids going to be traveling? And then also, what is the kids' situation here in Arizona? Do they have lots of friends? Have they been playing in club sports? Are they doing really well in school? What's the quality of the school they're going to? The court's going to want to look at all of these different determining factors.
Because it's a disruption. It's a disruption when you think about and you take yourself and your ego out of it, right? Because that has a lot of, plays a lot into it.
Especially when you're talking about older children who have established roots here in Arizona. They might have been going to the same school for 5 or 6 years. They may have been playing with their volleyball friends for the last 6 years, and so to uproot them and put them someplace new, it's very disruptive, both mentally and emotionally, for the children.
And the relationship with the parents comes into play as well.
Sure, that's one of the other factors. And so if we're looking at a situation where mom wants to move with the minor children and dad has 50-50 parenting time, that's going to be a really difficult move. On the other hand, if mom wants to move with the children out of state and we're in a custody situation where dad might see the kids maybe once a month or once a week, we're certainly looking at two different situations and two different relationship statuses.
And what is the likelihood of this succeeding, the relocation action?
I knew you were going to ask that, Susan, and generally it's fairly low. Okay. You have to have really good facts. You have to have a really legitimate reason for wanting to move, and most importantly, you need to be able to prove that this move is in the best interest of the child, not in the best interest of you. That's the determining factor.
All right, very good information. Thank you so much. If you need legal assistance, please contact Jaburg Wilk. They're located at 3200 North Central Avenue, Suite 2000 in Phoenix. Call 602-248-1000 or visit the website jaburgwilk.com.